Hi, it's Cristina Valdés, Corazón Team at Realty Austin, here to talk to you a little bit about the Austin market. Now, if you are considering buying or selling in this market, there are some important things you need to know. If you're a seller, I highly encourage you to really sit down and think about the plan that you are wanting to achieve. Are you moving within the Austin market? If so, you pretty much need to buy a house before you think about selling yours. If you're moving outside of the Austin market, that is a different situation, and you don't need to necessarily buy before you sell. That is an important thing to consider though. Even though the Austin market is really strong and favorable to sellers, you can still maximize your bottom line by doing things like having a pre-inspection so that you don't get caught off guard with any item or repair that you don't necessarily know about regarding your home. Making sure that your survey is current, and just prepping the house in a way that is going to really motivate a buyer to offer top dollar for it when they walk through. If you do those things, you are very likely to maximize your bottom line. If you're a buyer in this Austin market, here are a few tips that will help you out. Number one, make sure that you are pre-qualified, and the best pre-qualification letter is one from a local lender with a great reputation in the area. That matters. Don't think that you can get away with a letter from an online mortgage company or a big bank. That just doesn't fly these days in a competitive situation. The second thing that you want to just keep in mind is that you are going to need to bring your A game to these offers. That means that you are going to probably be uncomfortable with the terms that are included in your offer. Number one term being the sales price. You're going to have to offer more than the list price in most situations here in the area right now. That, and along with a lot of waived contingencies, just makes buyers uncomfortable, rightly so, but unfortunately in a competitive situation, that's just what you need to do to be able to win an offer. An alternative to that is new construction, which I will have a whole nother video just related to that option for you. The third thing I want you to pay attention to and just be mindful of is that you are likely to lose out on 3 or 4 offers, maybe even 5 offers before you win one. Don't lose hope. You learn every time, and by the time you get to the winning offer, you will be so happy, and it will be a home that is a great fit for you. If you have any other questions about the buying or selling process in this area, I am happy to help. So don't hesitate to reach out and we can chat. Thank you.